Aloha, I'm Phyllis Norton and I'm the head of Hawala School. I'd like to welcome you to our campus. Hawala was founded in 1986 by Sister Joan Madden, a Catholic nun, but we are a non-sectarian school. Sister Joan was introduced to the philosophy of Alfred Adler. Adler believed in order to be successful, everyone, regardless of age, whether at home, school, or at work, needs to experience a sense of belonging and a sense of significance. We give students the experience of belonging and significance by being listened to, taken seriously, and feeling needed in the classrooms every day. We've had a social, emotional environment for over 34 years. Our core values are the 4 R's: being respectful, take responsibility, being resourceful, and being responsive. We build relationships with children as another trusted adult in our lives. We want students to trust us and come to us with any problems they may be experiencing in the classroom or at home. We teach students communication skills so they can handle conflicts in a respectful manner without blaming, finger pointing, or shouting. We ask the question, how do you see yourself as cause in the matter? These trusted relationships build over time and students are happy to come to school. When they are happy, academics becomes much easier. As we nurture our students, we build their confidence by helping them see themselves as capable, giving them choices that are appropriate for them to make, and being consistent in our actions and our words. And we expect the same in return. We call this implicit curriculum. It's not a curriculum that is written or graded. It's in our actions, words, and behaviors that affect children. We also offer parenting workshops as a requirement for new parents to attend so that we have consistency at home as well as at school. It's so important that we are all on the same page if we want our children to be successful.
The parenting workshop has helped Jimmy and myself really be able to help the girls work through their emotions, and instead of scolding or not understanding them, we're able to really handle each situation and hear how they're feeling, and then they're able to communicate it. They really are a lot better at expressing themselves.
So the teachers here are all about family, and they're all about listening, and they really care about their students. They're here because they love the children and they listen to them all, and it's very personal. They know the kids. They're not just here to teach them how to add 2 and 2 together. It's more about teaching them how to be successful in life. Since attending Hawala School, the change has been amazing in their confidence levels and their independence. So when they have issues with their classmates or their siblings, they know how to talk it out without getting into confrontations. They're confident with the choices that they make after talking about whatever their issues are, and it's wonderful. And that's something that they got from the Hawala spirit. They talk about Ohana and working together, and it's been wonderful.
Jonathan loves coming back to school. Every morning he wakes up and he's happy and want to come to school.
The reason we keep coming back every year is his attention to one-on-one learning. He really thrives in that kind of environment. One of the changes I've seen also is he's more proactive about the stuff he learns. He looks for things to learn about. It's not, he just doesn't sit there and let the world affect him. He tries to impact the world on his own scale.
We keep returning to Hawala because the girls really love it, and we love the atmosphere. We love the small class sizes. We love the way that the communication and respect at the school teaches the girls how to be strong and confident. They're able to go out and use those tools in real life.
Many of our programs, like the parenting workshops, have won national awards by the Character Education Partnership in Washington, D.C. We know it is effective, powerful, and valuable, which is so necessary right now, especially at this time.
I really like the teachers. I like when Karen gives us books. I like my teacher when he'll help me. I like my teacher doing math. I like the school because we do art and music, and the decorations are beautiful, and my favorite class is Hawala. Well, Miss Karen helps me with puzzles a little. I like to do puzzles. I like all the teachers because they're so awesome. And I also like doing homework. And I like Hawaiiana. Well, I really like every friend in the class. And it makes me happy when I make friends at school. It really does. I really, really love this whole Hawala class. Kindergarten is my favorite, and I will never give up on it.
Communication, what I've learned at Hawala is we speak to each other respectfully. All the students are nice. There's no bullies or anything like that. If you're a person that likes peace and quiet or well, I would recommend coming here.
I think my teachers do take the time to see if I understand things, and they are patient with me, and I do get that one-on-one time to learn if I do not understand anything. I'm definitely gonna miss the people here, mostly the teachers, because all the teachers are they're just very nice and welcoming. I guess I would look back and say, well, when I was new here, everyone welcomed me, and if I didn't know anything, they would explain everything very well to me.
I do think when I leave the school, which will be soon, I will definitely miss, the relationships that we've built between students and teachers. It will be hard to create new ones, but I'm sure with the skills that they gave us, it won't be as hard as it would have been last time we moved. I feel like if I were to leave the school, I would be leaving way more confident than I was coming in here. It's built my self-confidence while also building my academic strength as well. I feel a sense of belonging here. The school makes it seem like everyone's matters, and everyone does.
Please contact us to schedule a tour. See and feel for yourself why we are the leaders in social emotional education in Hawaii and beyond. You may also visit us at hawalaschool.org. Mahalo.